Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to draw your eyeliner very easily. So now this is my Ads Mesmerizing eyeliner. It's a gel liner and this is the brush that usually come with it. But this is my gel liner, this is the brush and this is it. So I'm going to be showing you how to use them. This is how the gel liner comes. It is eyebrow slash eyeliner. So this is how it is. You can see. So now I'm going to be taking the gel liner and the brush to draw the second eyes. This is a bit it's not as easy. The eyeliner is more easier, the liquid eyeliner, and this is more for professional. So what I do is I reduce the excesses after I've dipped it in, and you just follow the same process. This one also, you use the angled side. Since it's a brush, so use the angled side, and this one also you would want to draw it very lightly because it's a brush. It may have rough edges, so you don't want to put so much effort on your lid. So you just take it lightly and ensure your both eyeliners are of the same size. So you try to make it of the same length and of the same size. Remember, if one is bigger, you have to make the other one bigger. You can't make the bigger one smaller. Okay, so now I'm still taking it from the beginning of my eyes and I'm going to draw it to meet it. Now here what I'm going to do, like I did for the other one, is to fill it thoroughly inside the space where I have created for the eyeliner. If you have watched till this point, do well, and you found this video helpful, do well to like this video, do well to leave your comments. If you have any questions or if you like me to create any video, do well to leave it in the comment section, and do well to subscribe and turn on your notification so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to see it. I hope you enjoyed this video. So you can see this one has a very little rough edges towards the end because it's a brush and because I was trying to face the camera. But once I'm with only just my mirror, I am good to go and I am a pro. So I hope you learned a lot and I hope you found this helpful. Always ensure to fill inside the middle to avoid any awkward looks. So fill it in. So this is the final look. You can make yours longer and fatter depending on your choice. So stay tuned for more videos. Remember to subscribe and like this video. Bye.